Welcome to Slide Egg. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a stunning shape open animation in PowerPoint. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Next, head over to the Shape Format tab and choose the rounded rectangle shape. Drag it onto your slide. Now, hold down Ctrl and click the mouse to drag the shape towards the right side. Adjust the width of the shape as needed. Now, select both shapes and, with Ctrl held down, drag the second shape to the right. Once that's done, go ahead and click on Align Left to line up the shapes neatly. Move the larger shape to the right side of your slide. Next, change the color of the shape to green. After that, insert a text box and add your text. Group the text and the first shape together. Then, group all the shapes together. Now, focus on the blue shape. Go to the Fill option and select No Fill for both the color and outline. Then, move the shape to the center of the slide. Select the green shape and change the outline color to white. Add a 3 points outline to make it stand out. Right-click on the shape and select Format Shape. Head to the Effect options, then go to 3D Rotation. In the Lighting section, choose the Glow effect to give it a nice shine. Still in the 3D Rotation section, select the Perspective Front View. Set the perspective percent to 0% and then move the shape to the right side of the slide. Hold Ctrl and drag the shape upwards. Change the color of the shape to yellow, delete the old text, and insert a new one. Next, change the background to black and add a new text box. Adjust the position of the text to align with the shape. Select the shape at the top of the slide and move it to fit perfectly within the shape. Then, go to the 3D rotation settings again and change the X rotation to 180 degrees. Duplicate the slide one more time. This time, select the green shape and change the X rotation to 180 degrees. For the yellow shape, set the X rotation to 0 degrees. Now, select both slides, go to the Transitions tab, and apply the Morph transition. Duplicate the slide. This gives the animation a smooth flow. And that's it. You've successfully created a stunning shape open animation in PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching.